Mr. Jeffrey, the corner of the street, 2 buildings down, waiting in a wheelchair in a pouring rain. I'm all alone, I'm all alone. Tommy has a plan to marry Liz, but all guys on the block don't think he's right. Liz doesn't think too much, she's with a Bob and James. Oh, she's so wild, oh, she's so wild. But you say you'll never give up on me. You know, think that I live in time is helping my eyes to see your life, which is true. Kingsley and Pepinda live in Africa, in little town since 1969. The roses in the garden don't impress them much, because they're blind, completely blind. The world around is full of broken hearts, but how to find a way to fix them all again, and where to find this perfect medicine to cure our pain, to cure our pain. But you say you'll never give up on me. You know, think that I live in time is helping my